So we're going to calculate the area of this particular compound shape. It's a shape that has a triangle in it, right there, okay, and it has a semicircle in it. So we're going to need to know how to find the area of a triangle and a circle, and then we halve the area of the circle. So let's go about the easiest part first. The easiest part really is going to be the triangle, because we know a triangle, its area equals half the base times the height. That's an easy one to do. Or you can also do area equals base times height divided by 2. Whatever you're going to do, you're going to multiply the base and the height, and you're going to divide it. So if I just do the second one here, base times height, so base is going to be 5. Oh, not 5. If you look here, oh, very good. So this here is 5 from here to here, which is the radius of the circle. So up to here, it's 5, which means up to here, it's 5. So it's 10. So the base is 10. So it's 10 multiplied by the height, which in this case is going to be 11, because this side here meets the base, which we've got as this dotted line at 90 degrees, right? So that becomes the height. So we're going to do 11 there, and then we divide that by 2, right? That's how it works. So the answer is 110, and we're going to divide that by 2, and that equals an area of 55 meters squared. So that's going to be our triangle, 55. We have to also figure out what the area of the of a circle would be with a radius of 5. That's our key right here. So the area of a circle is area equals pi radius squared. And we're going to use our calculator to do all the heavy lifting here in a second. So it's 5 is the radius. Luckily, it's given to us right there, and we square that. So let's use our calculator to do all the work for us. So it's going to be pi times radius, which is 5, squared, equals that. Now, it's not that, because that's a full circle. It's a full circle with a radius of 5. And we don't have a full circle. We have half of a circle. So we divide that by 2. So let's go back to our calculator and divide that answer, 78.539, divide it by 2, which will give us half of a circle. So 39.629. 39.629. Let's add that straight away to 55. Okay, so we'll take that and just add 55, which is the area of our triangle, and we get this. So this was the area of the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle area. And the whole lot together is triangle of 39.629 plus 55, and according to our calculator is 94.269. We have to round to one decimal place, so cutoff is here. So the area and the final answer is 94.3. We're dealing with meters. It's area, so it's squared, and that is the final answer.